Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys the Halloween costume that I made for Audrey. She was the Licorice cookie, and we also had the Bat Cat costume from the game Cookie Run. This is what the character looks like from that game. He's a Grim Reaper character and has a scythe and the typical Grim Reaper costume and a necklace of skulls around his neck. This is the kind of costume that I came up with for Audrey, and I just did a quick search on Pinterest for a Grim Reaper costume, and there was one there that I could just adjust and print out to make a costume pattern for her. And then I actually adjusted the pattern size for the sleeves to make them more dramatic, and we added the little stitching there to make it look more like the character in the game. Now, the cord was actually supposed to be around her waist, but we thought it looked a lot cooler around her neck and kept the kind of line of the Grim Reaper a little bit more dramatic and cool looking, so we opted for that. I was going to make the necklace with the little skulls, but they're more cartoony and I wanted it to look kind of perfect, and it just never quite turned out right. So instead I made these little kind of like little plushy versions, and then she could either pin them on or just have them hanging around kind of if she wanted. Now the character does have a friend who's a bat cat, and so we thought it would be super cute to make a costume sort of for our cat Ender. So I took that kind of artwork and made it into sort of just a simple kind of mask hat kind of thing for our cat, and just used felt layers and glued those together for that. And then this is our kitty wearing that. He was pretty good wearing it. It's not his favorite thing to wear things on his head, but he put up with it for a few seconds, so we were able to get a couple of cute shots of him here wearing it. And the kind of style for that is just clasp is just there connected on the side with a piece of Velcro. So it was real easy to just put on and off, which is nice since sometimes cats don't like being dressed up. So, but I'll also have some stuff to share with you guys for Kate's costume. So thanks you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.